Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we have another new member named Jia. So Jia, introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Jia. I study in 11th class. I am from Jharkhand but I live in Delhi.
Okay Jia. So here is your first question. What is a song stuck in your head lately?
Afri Afri song has stuck in my head lately.
Okay. What app do you spend the time most on?
Insta and YouTube I spend most time on because I use YouTube for study and use Insta for entertainment.
Okay. Do you not use any another app like gaming, something like that?
No.
Okay. If today was a movie, what would the title be?
If today was a movie, it would be titled be Rainy Day.
Okay. What is your go-to comfort food?
My comfort food is dal chawal with ghee.
Okay, with pickles as well, huh? What is your favorite subject right now and why?
My favorite subject is business study right now because it helps me to understand how business work in real life and I enjoy learning about management, marketing and finance.
Very good. Is there a subject you used to hate but you have to study?
Accountancy subject I used to hate but still I
Have to
have to study.
Okay, who teach you accountancy in school?
My business and accountancy subject teach one teacher
Who is?
named Anita ma'am.
Okay. ठीक है. What is the hardest part about being in 11th grade?
The hardest part about being in 11th grade is heavy syllabus and manage school with self-study.
Okay. How do you usually study before a big test?
I learn all the chapters, I revise my handwritten notes and focus on my weak topics for try to understand it before my big test.
Very good. Who is a teacher who really helped you to grow with a knowledge?
My geography teacher really helped me with her knowledge.
Okay. Do you have a dream college or career path yet?
Yes, I have a dream college named Hansraj College and my dream is become a CA.
CA. Okay, I know. Every commerce student choose CA. Okay. What is one thing a school does not teach that it should?
School does not teach our laws, rights, constitution, but school should teach us because if people know about it, so he understand laws, constitution, and our rights.
Very good. What is the funniest thing that happened with your friend this year?
The happiest thing that happened with me and my friend this year is my one friend was drinking water. Then suddenly she sneezed and water spilled our faces.
Okay. How did the taste was?
Not taste. It spilled our faces.
Okay,
not
let
water.
it be. What do you look for in a good friend?
I look in a good friend is kind-hearted, caring, understanding, helpful.
Very good. Are you caring or helpful?
Yes.
ठीक है. Group chat or one-on-one texting? Which one do you prefer?
I prefer group chat because we roasting each other, we entertain each other, and we understand how to improve our skills.
Oh, okay.
In chat.
But I don't think so that girls or boys, I mean both, really discuss about how to improve their skills. Mostly those discussed, not discuss, they roast each other. ठीक है. Next question is, what is something your friend would say about you?
My friend would say about me, I am helpful.
Okay. How do you describe yourself in 3 words?
I am describe myself in 3 words. I am helpful, caring, and kind-hearted.
Very good. What is something you are really proud of?
I really proud of. I choose commerce stream.
What is a fear you have overcome?
When I was a child, I fear about shadows. I think the shadows are ghosts. But when I grow up, I realize, I understand shadows are shadows, not ghosts.
Okay. Are you more of an introvert or extrovert?
I am not more introvert, but I am extrovert.
Okay. Then how do your friends say about you?
My friends say about me that I am blunt.
What is something people misunderstand about you?
Something people misunderstand about me is I am a silent girl.
Okay, but you are actually are. But are you actually
Blind.
not?
Yes, I am
Okay.
actually blind.
What do you do to relax after a long day?
I listen to music and sleep when relaxed after a long day.
Okay. What kind of music do you listen?
90s music.
90s music, very nice. Old is gold, right?
Yes.
What is a hobby you wish you had more time for?
I wish reading books I have more time
For.
for.
Okay. What kind of books do you like to read?
Related to natures.
Related to natures. I mean, fictional or non-fictional?
Fictional.
Okay. What is the last book, show, or movie that really got you?
Three Idiot movie really got me because because it movies gives us follow your passion.
Okay. Who is the favorite character in that movie? Rancho, Chatur, Raju Rastogi, and the last one was Farhan.
Chatur.
Chatur. Okay, now next question is, if you could learn any skill instantly, what would it be?
If I could learn any skill instantly, so it would be dancing.
Okay. Where do you see yourself in next 10 years?
I see myself in 10 years as a successful woman.
ठीक है, as a successful woman. Okay. What do you do? What will you do actually when you become a successful woman? Do you help the homeless people?
Yes.
Very good. If money wasn't an issue, what would you do with your life?
If money wasn't an issue, I would explore whole country and help poor peoples.
Very good. What is something you want to try before you graduate?
I want to try before I graduate start a business startup.
Okay, what kind of business would you start?
I don't think.
Okay. What is the best advice you have ever received?
Only if focus on your skill with study because study is not all thing. Skills are also important for our
With
business.
studies, right? Yes. Okay, by the way, who gave you this advice?
My geography
Teacher. Very good. What does happiness look like for you right now?
Happiness look likes me right now is spend time with my family and cousins.
Very good. If you could talk with your younger self, what would you say?
If I could talk my younger self, I could say focus on your study and your skills.
Okay. What is something you are grateful for today?
I grateful for today. I am with my family.
Very good. What is your dream vacation spot?
My dream vacation spot is Japan
Okay, why?
because when I was a child, I watch a cartoon. Name is Doraemon.
This is the favorite cartoon of
Yeah.
all children's. If you could meet any celebrity, who would it be and why?
If I could meet any celebrity, it would be Vijay Thalapathy because I like his movies. He is very good actor, and now he is a CM.
Very good. What is the weirdest food combo you actually enjoy?
I did not try any weirdest food combo, but my friend says she tried it and really enjoy ice cream with French fries.
Okay. What is one thing you want listener to remember about you? Try. चलो. क्या हो सकती है वो चीज?
Pending my all syllabus, but still I'm wasting my time.
So remember this quality about her. What is a piece of advice you would give other girls your age?
A piece of advice I give other girls of my age is focus on your study, improve your skills, and follow your passion because if these situations are India, girls will improve his skills and be a successful woman.
ठीक है. ठीक है. Now last question is, what is the one word you would use to sum up this year so far?
I use one word in the sum of the year is happiest year.
Okay, so now last question. This is the last, actually last. How was you feeling when we are talking each other?
I am feeling very good and confident.
Okay, very nice. So here is the end of this podcast.